Proficiency Podcast Project. I'm Cyrus M. Comandante, and I'm here with my awesome co-host.
I'm Ellen Perez Layan.
I'm Arjus Gudisto.
I'm Galileo Duma.
I'm Ray Pinero.
Today, we will be talking about something that makes communication clearer and powerful: the vocabulary enrichment.
That's right. Vocabulary enrichment means growing and improving the words we know and use every day. It's not just about memorizing fancy words. It's all about understanding the meaning, when to use them, and how it fits in real situations.
Exactly. Having a rich vocabulary helps you express yourself better and with more confidence. For example, instead I'm saying happy, we can say delighted, I'm thrilled, I'm overjoyed. Each word spent a slightly different picture, and that makes our message more expressive.
And it's not only those words. A strong vocabulary also helps us in understanding, writing, reading, and listening. The more words as we know, the easier it is to understand what we read or we feel, and to express what we really do.
That's so true. When you use the right words, you sound more confident, professional, and adventurous. First, we said it's a trend that's now not only in school but also in real life conversations.
Now, let's talk about simple, practical ways to enrich our vocabulary. One of the best ways is through reading, whether it's book, article, or even if it's online. When you come across a new word, take note of it and find out what it means.
You can also listen to podcasts, songs, or English movies. Pay attention to how words are used in real conversation. It's a fun way to learn pronunciation, tone, context, without feeling like you're studying.
Another tips: keep a vocabulary notebook or use a mobile apps to record new words you discover. Review them every now and then and try to use them in sentence. Practice really help those words stick.
And of course, don't be shy to use new words in your daily life. Try them out. Chat with friends, like they say, or post on social media. Because the more you use them, the more naturally they sound.
So to wrap up, vocabulary enrichment isn't just about learning new words. It's about improving how we understand, experience, and connect with people through language.
Exactly. Building our vocabulary, it's also building our confidence. It's very key communication in every part of life.